Hey guys, welcome again to Technologist 24/7. In this video I will show you that how to add manager to your YouTube channel. So it's quite simple. Before starting, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Here we upload very informative videos, tips and tricks. So now I will show you that how to do this activity. It's quite simple. Let's start. Open your YouTube channel, and after opening, simply click on YouTube Studio. After clicking YouTube Studio, then click on settings, then click on channel, then go to advanced settings. Now click on manage your YouTube account. Here you can see channel managers, add or remove managers. Now simply click on it. Now click on manage permissions, and now I will show you that how to add manager to your YouTube channel. Now click on members icon and type an email of your friend or your manager. I'm typing my friend's email. After typing email, now choose a role. You can choose owner, manager, communication manager. I'm going to select manager. Now click on invite. Now click on done, and that's it. Now whenever your friend will accept the invitation, he will become manager of your YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I again request you to please subscribe to my channel, then I will be very thankful to you. Thanks for watching. Soon we will meet again in new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.